Iceland, we really appreciate how great these players are. That pass by Letang, through tractor, 2 to 3, 8 feet ahead of them for about 6 sticks to get it into the zone. Is outstanding.
And of course I didn't kill him. I'd step on him, but I didn't kill him.
Nearly recovered by Dominic Moore. With a lightning to his band. Really working hard.
This would make a good YouTube video. I'm killing mosquito.
Don't just make a play that might be clicked off. Keep the line into the offense. Don't make sure you chip it in. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, they're in a situation here where 14 lead on home ice for 4 minutes, 11 seconds go on playoff game. Straight, that doesn't mean anything anymore. No, but these comebacks that we've seen in the playoffs is incredible. Boy, you just keep putting your foot on the pedal all the time. Keep putting pressure. That play by Letang was outstanding and great offense fight. 1 inch, it goes into the left on Dwayne Rolls, and it's 4-3.
He's back.
Stahl drops it back. Kunitz doesn't connect with the call. 20 tells it. 309.
Better, I really pissed him off.
How about Jeff Bennett, the owner of this franchise, for $35 million a year in the off-season? They got a lot of great programs down here.
Even got the close-up lens. See how it's blurry?
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Great job. This franchise.
Welcome to Stanley Cup Hockey Central, everybody. Presented by Bud Light, of course. Bill Patrick, Keith Jones, Jeremy Roenick here. Game 6 between the Sharks and Kings coming up shortly. But first, there was another Game 6 that just wrapped up in Tampa as the Lightning tried to force a Game 6.
Good work from the point to the front. Pavelski there fighting for it. Puck's loose in front of Cookies down trying to find it. Pavelski's got it. Off to the side. Lane to Murray. His shot blocked in front. And it kicks back up the other way for Williams. He's got a break. Murray's back. Williams trying to get to the middle. A good defensive play.
Good stick by Douglas Murray. He took away the angle from Williams. Made a chance to get to the net. Really good defensive play.
Jonathan Quick. Solid in front. He didn't see it in time. It was right there.
That was perfect position.
Now Ian White. Up to Vlasic.
Take a shot at my workbench you don't like.
After one here in LA.
Very good.
All right, we hope you're enjoying coverage of.
Absolutely. I think it was a perfectly played period by the San Jose Sharks. Very good, very sound defensively. Not giving the LA Kings much of anything. They were very sharp in their defensive reads. They had left offensive.
We'll talk more about when to expect that big motherload of thunderstorms our way in your first alert forecast.
Eric, thank you. Some angry talk about trash tonight in Ballantyne.